Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I'm going to talk about some updates. I'm going to talk about some things that's been happening. Also, I've decided to pick up a new device that is coming to the channel really soon. As y'all know, the Samsung Unpacked event was a couple days ago, Wednesday to be exact. So, I want to talk about that. And also give you an update on why I haven't made a video in over a month, but I am filming this with the OnePlus Nord 200 at 1080p at 30 frames. What y'all think about it? How does that sound? How does everything look? And just listen to baby girl. I know, she sounds amazing. But I haven't been making videos for the last month, at least the last 2 weeks. I have been dealing with a little virus that has been going around the country. God bless everyone. And yes, I'm on the rebound and I'm feeling a lot better. A lot better. I'm not going to get into details, and I'm not going to tell you to get vaccinated or masked, because that's not what my channel is about. But I'm just giving an update. Yes, I have been out of commission for the last 2 weeks and couldn't do nothing. I've been isolated in my room, watching videos and just watching Netflix and chilling out in my room. But on the Samsung Unpacked, they talked about the Z Fold 3, the Z Flip 3, and the Galaxy Watch, and some Buds too. So that's what the whole video is about, not me and COVID, or me and, you know, that certain virus going around. I don't want YouTube to come after me if I mention that, you know, virus. But let me know if y'all are picking up the Z Fold 3 or the Z Flip 3, and which one, what size y'all getting and what color. I decided to pick up the Galaxy Fold 3 in Mystic Green, the 256 gigs, and then also I picked up the Galaxy Watch Classic, the 46mm one, and also I got a case or two from Samsung. And yeah, I'm excited. First folding device. I know I said tech was boring a couple months ago, because it was. Now, you know, it's picking up. The Pixel's coming out. We will talk about that too. But I want to know if you are excited about the phones, or you're going to pick one up. Let me know in the comments. Let's get a friendly discussion. I said on Twitter I was getting it, so I just want to make a follow-up video. I know people are already talking about, is it an upgrade from the Z Fold 2? I can't really say. I never had the Fold 2, but the price is right for this phone. You know, it's cheaper than last year. They had some good trade-ins from Samsung, and actually the carriers had some better trade-ins, so you could get it for pretty cheap on the down low. You know, not too expensive, not the $1,800 that they was asking for it. Also, let me know if y'all got the 256 or the 512. I would be interested to know on which one y'all got. That would be very interesting to know what model you got on that. I decided to go with the Fold 3, not the Flip. I don't know, the Flip doesn't interest me at all. I'm sorry, y'all. I know the Flip is going to be very popular this year. I know a lot of my YouTube friends actually are going to get the Flip 3. I don't get it. Maybe the smaller thing up to the bigger one is nice to have in your pockets. It's not that heavy. You know, maybe it's cool. I just don't get it, but that's for me. But back to the upgrade part, I can't say that the Fold 3 is an upgrade from the Fold 2. I don't know, if you had the Fold 2, I don't think you would pick up the Fold 3 unless you are really into tech like most of us are that watch these videos. But that's definitely up to y'all if y'all gonna pick up the Fold 3. A lot of people are actually picking up the Fold 2, cheap on the down low. You know, you might want to do that too, but stay tuned to the channel. I will be testing out the Fold 3, making sure the cameras work. I know there's been discussion about the under display camera when you open up the phone. Why did they do it? Why they just didn't keep a regular camera on there? But they're trying it out. So let's see, it's 4 megapixels. Looks kind of weird as far as what I've seen as far as the photos come out. Will you ever use that camera? I don't know. I really don't know if you're going to use it. I'm not trying to make excuses for him. I don't know. But we'll see. I have to test the phone out. I don't even have the phone yet. I can't say anything bad about it yet. I wish it did have a bigger battery in it, you know, but it is what it is. Again, we will test it out. Stay tuned. Now, let's move on to the Pixel and the Pixel 6 Pro. Google released a bunch of information on that device a couple weeks ago. I think right when I went into quarantine. I was very excited about it, and I can't wait for the Pixel 6 Pro. Yes, I will be picking that phone up. Hopefully it's not the $1,100 I've seen. Hopefully it's a little bit cheaper, but it is what it is. I'll pick it up no matter what. And then also they gave hints, or somebody leaked something about the Pixel 5a that's supposed to be releasing at the end of this month. I will definitely pick up that. I still have my Pixel 5. I actually use that on the daily too with mobile, T-Mobile, oh no, US Mobile. I use that with US Mobile, so I have that phone in the rotation. The Pixel 5 is great. The cameras on the Pixel are really good, so everybody's hype about the Pixel 6 Pro. They love the design. I mean, I just see a lot of good things on Twitter about it. The price will probably turn off a lot of people. I think they're going to charge a lot for it because they have their own chip in there. You know, I think it's probably going to be about the $1,000 mark, but people are going to tear it apart if it comes out that much, but it is what it is. You don't have to buy it. That's the great thing about America. You don't have to buy it if you don't want to buy it. And everybody has opinions, right? It is what it is. So let me know what phones are you excited about getting, or you're going to get any of them. Maybe you already have a Pixel 5 and you're happy with it, or maybe you have the S21 Ultra and you're happy with it, or an iPhone. This light is flashing, but I don't stop. Just listen to baby girl. Man, she sounds awesome. But y'all let me know what device you're gonna pick up, if you're excited about it. Maybe y'all bored. Oh, another device I may get, it's in my Amazon cart as I'm making this video, is the Microsoft Duo. Yes, I might pick that phone up just to have it, just to mess around with it. I know it went on sale. A lot of people picked it up. A lot of my YouTube friends actually have it and they love it. Shout out to Jay Will. He made a bunch of videos about it. So I might actually pick up the Duo too. Why not? See, tech is fun again. They have more devices out there, and more companies are coming out with them. But we still need like OnePlus to step up the game. I need HTC to make a comeback. LG, I always will rock with LG no matter what. Sony needs to come back. I don't know. Somebody needs to make a phone and compete with these Apples and Samsungs and just keep tech fun again. But we'll see what the Pixel can do. Like, this video is becoming way too long, longer than what I wanted to make it. But I hopefully had a good discussion with everyone. Again, how was the cameras on the Nord 200? Remember, you can still get this phone for free from T-Mobile. Just listen to it. She moves too. Man, I love this car. But y'all let me know. Let's have a friendly discussion in the comments. If you made it this far to the video, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Tech Reviews or Forbes_reviews. Also, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you know when my latest videos are dropping. Stay tuned to more videos coming up. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.